PwC recently estimated that the emerging global business market for drones is over $127 billion. So where are all these drones being used? In construction, they can be used to conduct surveys and to record the progress of projects. They can also collect LiDAR data from the sky very rapidly. Drones are able to quickly fly over solar arrays and detect faulty panels using infrared imaging. They are ideal for inspecting wind turbines using high-resolution or infrared imaging with minimal downtime of the asset. Drones are used to inspect onshore and offshore rigs and give reliable results with minimal risk to personnel. In the mining industry, they are used to control safety, measure progress, and to create 3D models that can allow area and volumetric calculations. Drones are also able to make inspections of power lines and avoid putting workers at unnecessary risk. They can quickly identify faults and potential threats to power lines from trees that could cause damage. Cell phone tower inspections are another ideal use of this technology. Special techniques are used to avoid damage to the drone from electromagnetic interference. With the bird's eye view, they are powerful in emergency situations, especially when used with special search and rescue cameras. Fields can be rapidly surveyed from the air and quickly quantify levels of weeds, pests, and disease-damaged zones. A drone-mounted camera gives tremendous flexibility to a filmmaker and allows unique and dramatic shots unobtainable by other means. Well-shot images of a property can significantly improve sales. They are ideal for selling high-value yachts and vehicles too. In fact, aerial images can help to sell many products in ways that land-based images can't match. They are very flexible for environmental surveys, and, being electrically powered, they have a minimal carbon footprint. Contact us for more information about unmanned aircraft systems, how to fly them, and how to deploy them in industrial settings. Find us on the web at raptor.international.